Welcome to our lesson on neural networks and deep learning. In this session, we will explore foundational concepts that are crucial for your understanding of data science. Neural networks are inspired by the biological structure of the human brain. They consist of interconnected nodes that learn from data to recognize patterns and make predictions. Neural networks are made up of neurons that act as the basic processing units. These neurons are organized into layers, with each layer transforming the input data in unique ways. There are various types of neural networks, including feed-forward networks, where information moves in one direction. Convolutional networks are another type, primarily used for image processing. This quote captures the essence of neural networks in deep learning. They are indeed the backbone that supports many modern AI applications. Training neural networks involves feeding them large datasets. They learn from these examples through a process called backpropagation, which adjusts weights to minimize prediction errors. Neural networks have numerous applications, including image recognition, where they identify objects in images. They are also pivotal in natural language processing, aiding chatbots and translation services. Despite their strengths, neural networks face challenges. Overfitting occurs when they memorize training data, leading to poor performance on unseen data, and training can be computationally expensive. Now that we understand neural networks, let's delve into deep learning. This advanced approach utilizes multiple layers to enhance learning capabilities. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses multiple layers in neural networks. This allows for complex data representation and automatic feature extraction. Key algorithms in deep learning include convolutional neural networks, which excel in image data, and recurrent neural networks, ideal for sequential data like time series. Training deep learning models requires large datasets to enhance performance. Additionally, training times can be extensive, sometimes taking hours or even days due to the model's complexity. This quote highlights the transformative impact of deep learning in artificial intelligence. It has revolutionized how we approach complex problems. Deep learning has applications in various fields, including self-driving cars, where it helps interpret sensory data. In healthcare, it is used for diagnosing diseases through medical image analysis. Deep learning poses challenges, such as requiring extensive data, which can limit smaller projects. Additionally, the complexity of models can make them difficult to interpret and understand. The future of neural networks looks promising with ongoing research aimed at improving their capabilities. We can expect broader applications across various industries as their potential continues to grow. Let's recap the key points we covered today. We explored neural networks, deep learning, and their applications in various fields. As we conclude, consider exploring advanced topics to deepen your understanding. Engaging in practical applications will also enhance your skills in neural networks and deep learning. To further your learning, explore online courses that focus on deep learning. Additionally, reading books and articles will provide deeper insights into the theoretical aspects. As we conclude this lesson, remember to embrace learning and stay curious. Applying your knowledge in real-world scenarios will help solidify your understanding of neural networks and deep learning. Thank you for joining this lesson on neural networks and deep learning. Your journey in data science is just beginning, and there is much more to explore. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this lesson. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We are here to support you. Join our community to connect with fellow learners and enhance your experience. Networking can provide valuable insights, and you'll stay updated on new content. Goodbye for now, and thank you for participating in this lesson. We look forward to seeing you in the next session.